Door is propped open. Fire extinguisher covered. Fire covered. Sensor covered. Fire alarm covered. People have occupancy in the building. No fire suppression door. Absolutely no exposed, usable fire alarm system devices. This means if there is a fire, you cannot pull and it would not read as an alarm. And there's a guy who lives right there. December 15th. See the doors propped open. December 15th, 2021. Won't go down this way. This right here, since there's a man on this floor, is a blocked security exit. Can't get through there. It's totally taped. It's a blocked security exit, fire exit. What would you do if you had to pull the fire alarm? December 15th, 2021. Oh, look at this. No fire door whatsoever. Person there, person here occupying, and look at this. No smoke detector, able to read. No light to flash. Okay. Blocked for people to get down. Go down here to the bottom floor. Emergency door propped open. Okay. And that on the other floors, that should be uncovered. That should be uncovered. Door propped open. It is supposed to be kept closed. Luckily, no alarms. Tripping, fire and safety hazards, absolutely everywhere. Business as usual for Dimension Properties. December 15th, 2021.